Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a super practical skill, how to open your PDF files in Figma by converting them to JPEG images. If you've ever needed to bring a PDF into your Figma project and found yourself stuck, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to do it quickly and easily. Let's dive right in, so let's start at the beginning. First, find your PDF file on your computer. Usually this will be in your Downloads folder, your desktop, or wherever you tend to save important files. Go ahead and double-click that PDF to open it. Now you might be tempted to try to drag the PDF directly into Figma, but here's the thing, Figma doesn't work natively with PDFs. That's why the next step is essential. With your PDF open, look up at the top of your window and click on File. From here you'll see an option that says Save As. Go ahead and click that. Now here, why this matters. By saving your PDF as a JPEG, you're transforming it into an image format that Figma handles beautifully. PDFs are designed for documents, but JPEGs are perfect for design tools like Figma. This conversion is like translating a book into a language your audience can read. You're making your file accessible to Figma, which helps you work more smoothly. After you've chosen Save As, look for the option to select the file type. Pick JPEG from the list. You may also get some options about quality or resolution. If you do, I usually recommend choosing a higher quality unless you need the file to be really small. Higher quality means your image will look crisp and clear in your Figma project, which is especially helpful if you need to zoom in or share your design with others. Next, choose the folder where you want to save your new JPEG file. I personally like to save it somewhere I can find quickly, like my desktop. Don't worry if you lose track, you can always search for the file by name. Give the file a name that makes sense to you, something easy to find later. Then go ahead and save it. Depending on the size of your PDF, this part might take a few moments, so just hang tight. Once the file is saved, let's move over to Figma. Make sure your Figma project is open and ready for you. Here comes the easy and honestly pretty satisfying part. Find your newly created JPEG file in the folder where you saved it. Click on the file and simply drag and drop it right into your Figma canvas. Just like that, your PDF content is now sitting in your Figma project as an image. You can move it, resize it, or even trace over it if you're recreating elements. And that's honestly all there is to it. It might feel a little roundabout at first, but with this method you can get any PDF into your Figma workflow. If your PDF has multiple pages, you'll just need to repeat the process for each page, saving them as separate JPEGs. But the steps are exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this made the process clear and painless. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or hit any snags along the way, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. See you next time.